Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write an E-2 visa invitation letter. This letter is a formal document issued by a US-based business inviting a foreign investor to enter the United States under the E-2 visa category. It outlines your role in the business, the nature of your investment, and why your presence is essential for the company's growth. Start by including your company's name, address, contact details, and the date. Use a clear subject line indicating it's an invitation for the E-2 visa applicant. Address the letter to the consular officer to maintain formality and relevance for the embassy or consulate. After that, write, "We are pleased to invite applicants' full name, a national of country, to the United States in connection with their investment in our enterprise, company name, a type of business operating in city, state. Applicant's name is the principal investor and will be responsible for directing and developing the enterprise as outlined in the submitted business plan. Their expertise and ongoing commitment are critical to the continued growth and success of the business. We respectfully request that the necessary support be provided for applicant's name to obtain an E-2 treaty investor visa. All required documents, including proof of substantial investment, the business registration, and operational details, are enclosed for your review. We look forward to a favorable consideration of this application. Sincerely, full name, title, position, company name, signature." Here's our sample E-2 visa invitation letter. You'll notice how it clearly explains the purpose of the invitation, your role as an investor, and the significance of your presence in the U.S. business. The letter highlights key details like your investment, responsibilities, and how your involvement supports the growth of the enterprise. This helps the consular officer understand your eligibility and the legitimacy of your visa application. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on drafting effective visa and immigration documents.